Hello everyone, what's up? So it's time to do another speed test comparison. As I said, I will be doing it with Mi A1 as well. So right now both the phones are running Android Oreo, and I already done a couple of speed tests between these two phones, but now it's kind of final battle. I know Mi A1 will surely get Android P. Honor 7X, no news on Android P. So yeah, let's go ahead and as always start with the boot up test. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. And yes, here we go. And both these phones have 4 gigs of RAM. Let's see what happens. Both phones running Oreo. And I will be doing the speed test of Honor 7X with Honor 9 Lite as well. Again, Oreo versus Oreo. That's one speed test that's gonna be coming really soon. Let's see what happens in the boot up test. And I've already done the speed test of Honor 7X versus Honor 7 Oreo versus Nougat, so if you want to check that out, the link is in the description. And okay, so Mi A1 first and followed by Honor 7X, so not a really big difference. And let me quickly do this password. So everything is closed in the background, guys, and as always we'll start with some of the basics, and that is phone dialer. Here we go. And this is faster on Mi A1. Calendar, faster on Honor 7X. Chrome, okay, so this time it's faster on Mi A1. Camera, okay, so that was quite similar. And settings, okay, this time it's faster on Mi A1. So as always, start with first of all the social section, and then the shopping, and finally the gaming section. So yes, so first up, Twitter, faster on Mi A1. Snapchat, again Mi A1. Tinder, again look like faster on Mi A1. Facebook, okay, so again faster on Mi A1. Honor 7X taking some time. And finally Instagram, okay, so that was really similar. So yeah guys, let's move on to the shopping section. We are going to be opening 4 apps. First, as always, will be Amazon. And okay, open on Mi A1 and actually loaded on Mi A1 as well, and Honor 7X taking a lot of time. Okay, so let's move on to another shopping app, that is eBay, and it actually opened at the same time. Okay, so this time it loaded on Honor 7X and Mi A1. This time Mi A1 taking some time, but it's completed. Let's try with this Banggood. And okay, so it loaded on Mi A1. 7X done as well. Flipkart, okay, opened and loaded on Mi A1, and Honor 7X not far behind. So yeah, let's move on to the final section, that is games, and I'll start with the really light game, that is first of all Flappy Bird. Here we go. And it's opened on Mi A1. Motor Traffic Racer, it's a bit heavier than that. And okay, looks like Honor 7X will win this. And yes, it does. So this is where Honor 7X has always proved to be faster than Mi A1. Let's try with a few more games. Dead Trigger. And okay. So yes, again faster on Honor 7X. Let's try with this Subway Surfers. And as I said guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it. And this time, so again Honor 7X faster than Mi A1. So let's try with one final game, that is Grand Theft Auto. Here we go. And this time both are looking similar. And yes, exactly the same. So yeah guys, time to quickly check out the RAM management and all. Let's see what happens there. So of course, when it comes to gaming, Honor 7X is faster. And let's quickly check out the RAM management settings. Okay, so that was refreshed on both. Okay, Snapchat, again refreshed on both. Let's check out few games. Okay, what about some shopping apps? Flipkart, okay, in the RAM. And what else we got? Okay, so Amazon, okay, it has refreshed. Banggood in the RAM. And what else? Okay, so Motor Traffic Racer in the RAM. Subway Surfers in the RAM as well, so it's proving to be fine. Dead Trigger, and it is, I think it's yes, it is in the RAM as well. Let's check out one final game, Grand Theft Auto. Yes, it's in the RAM as well. So yeah guys, that was a quick little speed test comparison between Mi A1 Honor 7X, both rocking Android 8.0 Oreo. And as I said guys, I will be making more videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And when it comes to gaming, Honor 7X faster, and when it comes to shopping and some social apps, Mi A1 was a bit faster than Honor 7X. So that pretty much wraps it up guys. Like, subscribe, share, and as always guys, peace out.